What if I told you that you don't have to choose between luxury and affordability? Most people think a high-end SUV means sky-high repair bills, expensive parts, and constant trips to the dealership. But what if there were SUVs out there that give you all the comfort and prestige of a luxury vehicle with maintenance costs that are shockingly low? Today, we're counting down the top 3 luxury SUVs that are absolutely perfect for seniors, easy to get in and out of, incredibly smooth to drive, packed with safety features, and cost almost nothing to keep running. Stay until the end, because number 1 might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 3, the Lexus RX 350. Now, if you know anything about Lexus, you already know this brand is basically legendary when it comes to reliability. In fact, Lexus consistently ranks at the very top of reliability surveys year after year, and the RX 350 is the crown jewel of their lineup. Why is it perfect for seniors? First, the ride quality. This SUV glides over bumps and rough roads like it's floating on air. No harsh jolts, no vibrations, just a smooth, quiet, comfortable drive every single time. Second, getting in and out is effortless. The seat height is perfect. You don't have to climb up or crouch down. Seniors with knee or hip issues will absolutely appreciate this. Third, the interior. Soft leather seats, large, easy-to-read controls, a clean dashboard that isn't overly complicated. Everything is within reach and makes sense. Now here's the part you really care about: the maintenance cost. The Lexus RX 350 has one of the lowest 5-year maintenance costs of any luxury SUV on the market. We're talking around $5,000 to $7,000 over 5 years. That's less than many non-luxury brands. Oil changes are affordable, parts are widely available, and you won't be hit with those dreaded surprise repair bills. Safety features include pre-collision warning system, automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. This car practically drives ITS-ELF safely. The only reason it's at number 3 and not higher, the infotainment system can take a little getting used to, but once you do, it's smooth sailing. Number 2 on our list, and this one is seriously underrated, the Toyota Venza. Now, I know what some of you are thinking: Toyota isn't really luxury. But hear me out. The Venza has been completely redesigned, and it sits right at the intersection of premium comfort and incredible reliability. It looks like a luxury SUV, it feels like a luxury SUV, and it costs far less to maintain than any European competitor. Why seniors love it? The Venza comes standard as a hybrid, meaning better fuel economy and fewer mechanical parts to worry about. Fewer parts equals fewer things to go wrong equals lower maintenance bills. It's that simple. The cabin is stunning. We're talking premium Softex leather seating, a panoramic moonroof that lets in gorgeous natural light, and a large 3-inch touchscreen that's actually easy to use with big icons and clear menus. Entry and exit just like the RX. The seat height is ideal. No struggle, no strain. You just sit down comfortably and go. Maintenance costs? This is where the Venza shines. Toyota hybrids are famous for going 200,000 plus miles with minimal issues. The regenerative braking system means your brake pads last far longer than a regular car. You'll spend less on fuel and less on repairs. Average 5-year maintenance cost? Roughly $4,000 to $6,000. That's remarkable for a vehicle that looks this good. Safety features. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Lane tracing assist. Automatic high beams. Rear cross-traffic alert. And the Stargaze panoramic roof made of electrochromic glass can go from transparent to frosted at the press of a button. A little luxury touch that never gets old. The Venza is the smart senior's choice. Stylish, reliable, and wallet-friendly. And our number 1 pick, the Buick Enclave. Buick has spent decades perfecting the art of quiet, comfortable, stress-free driving, and the Enclave is their masterpiece. It has been specifically praised by senior drivers and automotive experts alike as one of the best vehicles for older adults on the market today. Here's why it takes the top spot: space. The Enclave is a full-size luxury SUV with 3 rows of seating. If you have grandchildren, family members, or friends you like to take along, there is more than enough room for everyone. And the cargo space is enormous. Ease of entry and exit is exceptional. The doors open wide, the seats are at the perfect height, and Buick even offers power-adjustable running boards on some trims, meaning they automatically extend when you open the door and retract when you close it. Genius. The quiet tuning technology, this is something Buick takes very seriously. They've used noise-canceling technology, acoustic glass, and sound-dampening materials throughout the cabin to make the interior one of the quietest of any SUV at this price point. It's like sitting in your living room. Maintenance cost? Buick benefits from being part of General Motors, meaning parts are affordable, dealers are everywhere, and labor costs are much lower than European luxury brands. 5. Year maintenance? Around $5,000 to $7,500, a fraction of what you'd pay for a BMW, Mercedes, or Audi of similar size. Let that sink in for a moment. You are getting a genuine luxury SUV that can comfortably seat your family, handle your daily errands, and absorb highway miles without wearing you out, all for less than the cost of a major repair bill on a German luxury sedan. That is not a typo. That is the reality of buying smart in the used luxury SUV market. Now, let's talk about the safety features you get in these vehicles, because for senior drivers, safety is not just a checkbox. It is peace of mind every time you pull out of the driveway. We are talking about automatic emergency braking, which can stop the car for you if you don't react in time to a sudden slowdown ahead. Forward collision alert, which gives you a visual and audible warning before things get close. Lane keep assist, which gently nudges you back into your lane if you start to drift. Following distance indicator, which tells you if you are following the car in front too closely. And one of my personal favorites, the rear camera mirror. Instead of a traditional rear view mirror that only shows what you can see through the back window, this system gives you a live video feed from a rear-facing camera, offering a much wider and clearer view behind you. That means no more blind spots from headrests, no more struggling to see out of a small rear window, and no more craning your neck to park. For an older driver, that feature alone can make every trip to the grocery store or the doctor's office less stressful. For comfort, space, low maintenance, and sheer driving pleasure, the Buick Enclave is our undisputed number one. It is the vehicle that checks every single box for a senior driver who wants to feel pampered without feeling like they overpaid. The Enclave offers one of the quietest cabins in its class, thanks to Buick's quiet tuning technology, which uses triple door seals, acoustic laminated glass, and active noise cancellation to keep road noise out. That means you can have a conversation at highway speeds without raising your voices, or simply enjoy the silence. The seats are wide, plush, and supportive, designed for long-distance comfort rather than sporty bolstering. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps rather than transmit them. And the interior materials are soft touch and upscale, with real stitching and premium surfaces that remind you every time you open the door that you are driving something special. So let's do a quick recap. Number 3, the Lexus RX 350. This is the gold standard for premium reliability. It delivers a smooth, pillowy ride that glides over rough pavement. It has excellent safety ratings and a suite of driver assists that work seamlessly in the background. And over 5 years of ownership, you can expect to spend roughly $5,000 to $7,000 on maintenance. That is remarkably low for a luxury vehicle. Number 2, the Toyota Venza. This is the hybrid efficiency champion. It combines a stunning, well-appointed interior with Toyota's legendary hybrid powertrain, which means you get exceptional fuel economy and ultra-low running costs. Over 5 years, you are looking at approximately $4,000 to $6,000 in maintenance. That is hybrid savings at work, and it is hard to beat for anyone who does a lot of city driving or short trips where the electric motor can really shine. If this video helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know that this is the kind of content you want to see more of.